Creating video posts in Canva. Now, social media loves video, so anything that moves, video, animation, they absolutely love it, and engagement will go up with videos over static images. So we're just going to go through how to add videos into our posts. Super simple, very easy to do, couple minutes, that's all it will take. I'm going to go for Facebook, as that's one of the ones I know that loves animation and videos at the moment. And I'm going to pretend that I am creating a, say, 50% off clearance sale. So I'm having a massive sale on my products or my services, for example. So I want to add a video into this. So I've gone to videos, sometimes it's down here, sometimes click more and it will be there. And I'm going to go shopping. And there are a huge amount of videos for everything here. Now I quite like this one because it has movement, but it's not flitting around all over the place. It is pretty much just watching this lady buy something on her phone using her credit card. So it's a good one to use for shopping for this particular exercise. I'm going to drag it out so that it fills my entire frame. And then I want to add some information on here. But if I add text, when the video moves, the colour in the background changes. So you've got to be careful what type of text you add onto this and how you add it on. For me, I find the best way is to add a circle. It's feminine, it's natural, and it looks really good with a feminine shopping video in the background. I'm going to change it to a very neutral colour, one that matches the colours in the background. And I'm going to change the transparency so you can still see through it. You can still see the video. The video is a focal point of the design and you want to be able to still see that. I'm also going to add, I think I'm going to add a ring around. There's two. There's this one which is free and there's this one which is a pro. I prefer this one because it is thinner. And as you drag them out, they do get thicker. The other one is lovely, but again, it's a very thick circle. So I'm going to change that to my colour as well and just give that a slight transparency. So you're beginning to see now that we have got a place to add our text, but you can still see the video. Okay, so I'm going to add some text. I'm going to go for massive clearance sale. Now I want this larger. And I want capital C, massive clearance sale. I want it within my circle, so I've reduced the size so the text doesn't go out of my circle. And then what else do we need on here? We need the discount or what the sale is all about, and we also need a way of people contacting us or finding the sale. So you need your website or your contact number or your Facebook page or something that tells people where to go. So it's going to go website.com in another text box. Okay. Now I'm going to make this smaller because it's the sale that goes across here, the sale here, that is key. You want to draw people in with the largest text. And then lastly, I'm going to go up to 50% off. I have no idea if that's a great sale or not. So I could leave this just central, but I actually like the idea of tilting it. Having text that is off center like this draws the eye because it's unusual. It's not something you see. Generally, we see text lined nicely and neatly and straight. So to do this just gives it that little extra something. I'm going to change the font as well because this font we're using is just a standard font that comes up instantly on on Canva. So this is really now where you will have to go through and try and find a font that works really well with the design, with the colours, with the video in the background. There are hundreds and hundreds of fonts in Canva, and I'm going to try one called Bright Site Script. I like this one. I've used this one before, and it's a lovely font and works well with slanted text. So I've made that nice and big. This one I'm going to change as well. I'm going to go for something that is not the same as this, because this is what we want people to go, oh look, 50% off. What's that 50% off? Oh yes, it's a massive clearance sale. Ah, this is the website I need to go to. That is the order we want people to look at this in. So I'm going to go for Brixton, that's it, Brixton Sans is a font I do like and have used again before. And that one, exactly the same. I'm going to change the colours of these because the video is very neutral and pastel. The circle is very neutral and pastel. The black is not. It's very harsh. So I've changed the colour here to a grey, and I'm going to use the change all feature here, and it will change the other two for me. So I don't even have to worry about that. So there we go. We have created a video style post to represent and promote our business. Our up to 50% off sale we've got going on here. If I press play, it will now show you the design. So you've got the video in the background, and we have added that circle in so that that text is visible and can be seen, but you can also see the video still. So nothing is hidden, but you can also direct people. People are going to go, look, 50% off. Oh yeah, it's a clearance sale, and this is where we need to go. So that is what we need people to do. We are directing people to the biggest part of the design, but we're catching their eye with the video in the background. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the videos or animations that you guys make. Don't forget you can follow me. Please click follow if you're viewing this on YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.